Hey guys, welcome back. It's Nicole Andrews at Eternity Warrior Fit Channel. So today is day 7 of your Get Sexy Abs 30-day challenge. Okay, what do you think so far? Pretty good? So we're working on it. So today we have 6 different exercises. We're gonna do it for 55 seconds with a 5-second rest in between. So it's gonna be crazy, but you can modify if you have to. It's only 6 minutes. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel because we have recipes, we have anti-aging tips, we have powerful workouts. You guys have to come subscribe so you know what we're doing here at Eternity Warrior. All right, so let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is wide leg scissors. So put your hands behind you and you're gonna set it up like fingertips facing your feet, and we're just going to extend our legs out, so make that hollow hold. Really suck it in, scoop out the belly. So instead of puffing it out, some people hold it with a puff. Hold it in first, then lean back, and then we're gonna open and close for wide leg scissors. Ready? Let's get it started. So keep it going. Keep those lower abs engaged, and if you want to make it harder, you can always flex your feet. That fires up the quads a little. So I like to point my toes, and it helps me really feel the lower abs engaged. So try to stick your chest out. You're just leaning back on those sits bones. We have 25 seconds for these wide leg scissors, also working the inner thighs and the abductors. Woo, really feeling it here. Keep it going. You have 10 seconds left. Keep breathing in and out. We're gonna go to boat and canoe next. So get ready to get set up for that in your 5-second rest. You can hold boat as a modification here, or level 2 and 3, extend your chest out, flat back, suck your stomach in, hollow hold, and really try to get it up. If you can't, modify it by coming to parallel shins. So then we go back down to canoe. So the canoe, your shoulder blades are still off the ground, chin away from chest, and then back up into boat, canoe to boat, and do this as fast or as slow as you want. Burn out your abs. We have 20 seconds, guys, and we move on to the next one, which is lying paddle boats. They're not telling the truth. They're lying paddle boats, but we're gonna crunch it up and down. And you can go high, 2 seconds, and all the way low, but your shoulder blades never hit. So now, you're going to put your hands, if you need the extra support, underneath your tailbone. Flex your feet this time and bring your knees in. And do not drop them. So paddle boat and hold. If you really want to bring it up for level 2 and 3, you can hold a static crunch here as well. Don't forget that hollow hold. And keep breathing as you send oxygen to those abdominals. You really start to feel the engagement, and if you let your abdominal muscles receive that oxygen, you're going to see so much more in terms of results. So if you need a break, you can always release your head, but keep flexing your feet, keep pushing that paddle boat. We're racing here. Who's winning? We have 5 seconds. The next exercise is one-legged cross. So you're gonna bring your legs up, feet down, and then one foot comes over in the figure 4, and you're just gonna crunch it up. So make sure the foot that's crossed is flexed and your other foot is flexed. So both feet are flexed. And you're crunching it up and in, keeping that chin away from your chest. It's almost like a weighted crunch because the weight of your leg is really pulling. We're gonna switch in 4 seconds. 2, 1, switch legs. And keep crunching it in. Exhale on the exertion. Inhale. Sometimes the sound helps. And allows you to exhale more than you would. 14 seconds, guys. You're doing so good. Keep it going. Flex both feet. Engage that core. 5 seconds. And we're going to move into our forearm plank. Good job. Now hoist yourself up and come right around to that forearm plank. So from here, you can hold it, static hold. Make sure that butt is down. Make sure you're in one solid line. Or you can take one leg up and do that toe roll while you're flexing the foot that's elevated. And then bring the other foot up and do a toe roll and bring it down. Toe roll on the other side. You're flexing the foot that you lift, and you're really not lifting it that high. So keep switching. I know you might be breaking a sweat right now, and that means you're working hard. Keep that butt down. I just felt mine go back up. You guys got this. Your warriors, bust through. 5 seconds until we go into regular plank. 3, 2, 1. Find your way into regular plank. So from here, we're going to take our hands under our shoulders and take your feet wide, and you're going to do step outs or step ins. So you could do out and in, out and in. In a plank position. So do not let your shoulders come way back. That means your butt is going higher. Keep those shoulders over your wrists and keep stepping out. The faster you go, the harder it is. Maybe some level 3s are here. Maybe level 1, you're just taking it slow, focusing on your form. It's all good as long as you're in the proper form. Keep it going, keep that oxygen flowing. Feel that oblique squeeze. Out, out, in. 1 second. And we have finished 6-minute abs on day 7. So you guys, don't forget to subscribe to get day 8, 9, 10. This is so great because I know I already feel it. I don't know about you, but I love your comments. It's helping me get back to my abs. I hope you guys are enjoying the series. Leave a comment. Let us know what you think. Subscribe, tap the bell, and love ya. We'll see you tomorrow.